Good morning, students. Today we are going to see gender in noun. So, first of all, what is gender? What do you mean by gender? So, gender refers to the state or identity of a noun as male or female or common or both or none. Okay, let's see. We have four types of genders in English grammar. The first one is masculine gender. The noun that denotes a male person or animal is said to be the masculine gender. For example, man, brother, dog, etc. Then the second one, feminine gender. The noun that refers to a female person or animal is said to be the feminine gender. Okay? For example, woman, mother, sister, etc. Okay? Then we have the third one, neuter gender. The noun that denotes neither male nor female is said to be the neuter gender. All the non-living things come in this category. Okay, because they have no gender, they are not living, so they have no gender. Table, pen, computer, phone, glass. Okay, they have no gender. For masculine gender we use the pronoun he. For the feminine gender we use the pronoun she, and for the neuter gender we use it. Okay, because they have no gender. Then we have one more, common gender. Common gender refers to either male or female. Okay, the noun that refers to either male or female is said to be the common gender. Okay, for example, friend. Friend can be a male friend or a female friend. Teacher can be both a male or female teacher. Student can be both male or female. Officer can be both male or female. So the words like these are called common gender because they are common for male and female. These words are common for both the genders. Okay. Then ways of forming the feminine of nouns by using an entirely different word. For example, boy, girl, mother, father, sir, madam. So these words are entirely different from each other. Then we have one more type in which we add a suffix. Suffix, all of you know, the words which we add after the main verb, after the root word. Okay, like poet is the root word, and we add ess and it becomes poetess, and that is the feminine gender of poet. Then we have lion. The same way it becomes lioness, actor, actress, hero, heroine. We are adding ine with this. Landlord, landlady. Okay, then we have to study about the number of a noun. Okay, in English we have two numbers, singular number and plural number. So when the noun denotes a single thing or person, it is said to be in singular number. For example, man, dog, pen, etc. And when a noun denotes more than one person or thing, it is said to be in plural number. For example, man becomes men, dog becomes dogs, and pen becomes pens. Okay? Now we will see how plurals are formed. There are many ways to form a plural of any noun. Okay? The first and the most common way is by adding s or es to the singular noun. Okay? By adding s or es to the singular noun. Boy, boys, girl, girls, buffalo, buffaloes, mango, mangoes, photo, photos. You can see in these three words, boy, girl and photo, we are adding only s, but in buffalo and mango we are adding es. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that these two are the ways you can used to make a plural form of any noun. Then we have nouns ending in y and preceded by a consonant from form their plural by changing y into I and adding es. Okay? For example, see here, we have baby. The last alphabet is Y. The last letter is Y. And just before Y, we have consonant, that is B. In lady, we have D. And in story, we have R. So these three letters are consonant. So what will we do? We will just, when we make a plural of these words, what we will do? We will have to remove this Y and then we will add IES. Okay? We will change this Y into I and then we will put ES. Okay? At the end of the word. So it becomes baby, babies, lady, ladies, story, stories. Okay. Then we have nouns ending in F or FE form their plural by changing F into V and adding ES. For example, thief. We have F in the last, okay, and then in wife we have FE. Okay, so in both the cases we have to do, like we have to change F into V and then we have to add ES. In thief we have removed the F and we have added VES, and in wife we have just removed the F and we have added S, WIVES, wives. Okay. Then there are some exceptions in this changing of plural singular nouns into plurals. Like proof, we have F in the last. In cliff also we have F in the last, but we will not change it into V. It will be F only in the plural form also. Proofs, cliffs. Okay. Then we have by changing the inside vowels, okay, like man, we have the word man, it becomes men. So we are just changing A into E. M and N are intact in their places, but we are just changing A into E. In the same way, goose becomes geese. Double O is removed and then double E is put there. Then mouse, MOUSE, and we are changing it into mice. Mouse, mice. In this we are not only we are changing the vowels, but we are just putting aside this S and then we are adding C to it. Then we have by adding EN, as in ox, oxen, child, children. Okay, it's not oxes or childs. It is oxen and children. In child we are adding REN. In ox we are adding EN. So there are many ways to change the number of a noun. Some nouns are always used as plurals. For example, scissors, specs, trousers, jeans, shorts, pajamas. Okay, these are always used as plurals. Names of subjects like mathematics, physics look plural because we have S at the last, but they are always used as singular nouns. Okay, mathematics is not a plural noun, physics is not a plural noun. It is singular. It just looks like a plural noun. Okay, then we have completed this video and that's all for now. Bye. Take care.